Hi YouTubers, I'm Susie. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do FlyLady Babystep number 7, clear a hotspot. I have picked out 16 FlyLady Babystep for us. So far we have done number 1, shine your sink, and I have had several questions about that one. So what I showed in the video, that was a deep clean that you can do once or twice a year. And now I'm going to show you how I shine my sink as my evening routine. So this is the way I do it in my evening routine. I just take a dish brush and some dish soap and I put on some water. And I just scrub my sink quick and thoroughly. That. Then I rinse my sink with water. And then I dry it with a dishcloth. So that was shine your sink. So if you have more questions about that or something else, just write them in the comment and I try to answer them. And baby step number 2 that we were doing was pick up clothes for tomorrow, and number 3, get dressed to shoes. And you can see that I've done that today, even 2 shoes. And baby step number 4, make your bed. You can see that I and my hubby, we have already done that, so we can check that off. And number 5 was set up a launch pad, and I'm going to do that this evening in my evening routine. And baby step number 6 is load the laundry each day, and mine is running in the washer. So number 7, clear a hotspot. What's a hotspot? A hotspot is a place in your home that attracts clutter, and clutter attracts more clutter. I have several hotspots in my home. I have one on my countertop here in my kitchen. I have one on my kitchen table, and I have another one on my guest bed in my home office, and also on my bedside table in my bedroom. You are not supposed to crash and burn on this baby step number 7, clear a hotspot. You should have a timer, and the FlyLady recommends that you go to on 2 minutes and only work on this hotspot for 2 minutes. And if it's not done, then you continue tomorrow. So this is the hotspot that I'm going to clear today. So I set my timer on 2 minutes and let's go.
Told. I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna be slow-mo, so tonight we'll just let go. To the beat and treat every freak out, singing like
and I have 14 seconds left, not much. But if you don't finish, just continue the next day.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so you don't miss out of the next video. Please leave a comment and give me a thumbs up.